Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make green cardamom powder using an easy method. First, gather your whole green cardamom pods. Look for bright green, plump pods, as these contain the most aromatic seeds. Make sure they are completely dry before you begin. You'll also need a spice grinder, coffee grinder, or a good old-fashioned mortar and pestle to get the job done. The next step is to extract the tiny, flavorful seeds from inside the pods. You can gently crush each pod with the back of a knife or your fingers to split it open. Then, carefully pick out all the dark, aromatic seeds. The green husks are fibrous and don't contribute much flavor, so discard them. This step ensures your powder is pure and potent. Now it's time to turn those fragrant seeds into powder. Transfer all the extracted seeds into your spice grinder. Grind them in short, quick bursts, pausing in between to prevent the grinder from overheating, which can diminish the cardamom's aroma. Continue until you have a very fine, consistent powder. This ensures it blends smoothly into your recipes. Once your fresh cardamom powder is ready, proper storage is key to maintaining its incredible flavor. Transfer the powder to an airtight container, like a small glass jar. Store it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat, to preserve its potent aroma for several weeks. For more great deals and to check out the Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade cardamom powder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.